I was excited I had bought a new car. But when everybody was staring at me in the car, it was like, wow, what did I buy? I was really impressed because like even the police cars would flag me over like this to just slow down so they could look at the car. I was 22 years old. It was Wednesday, April 15th, and I had just graduated from college and got my first teaching job, but I needed transportation to get there because I lived in Chicago at home. When we walked in the door, I told the salesman I wanted a convertible. He said, I have no convertibles on the floor, but come in the back room with me. I have something special to show you. And in the back room, under the tarp, was this baby blue convertible. I said, oh, yes, I really wanted that one. So I bought it on the spot. But when I drove it out on the street, everybody was waving at me and flagging me to slow down and give me high fives. And I felt like a movie star, and it was a really good feeling. And that's how it was for quite a while. I was very popular. It wasn't me, it was the car. 2 days later, Lee Iacocca showed the first Mustang at the New York World's Fair, and that was the first the whole world got to see the Mustang. But I was already driving one. It was sporty looking, and it made that zoom zoom noise, and it was comfortable to drive right away. I just felt like it was me. So the car cost me $3,400 in 1964. And my teacher's salary was $5,100.
Well, after we got married, yes, I took it over and I was using it as a daily driver. In the late 70s, I had some minor problems with the carburetor linkage. So I pushed it in the garage thinking that I would fix it next week. Well, next week turned into next month, and next month turned into next year, and believe it or not, the car sat there for 27 years. In about late 2005, we decided that we would restore it, and it turned out good.
Oh, when I saw the car come back, it was like deja vu. I felt like I was 22 again because it looked just like it did in the showroom. It was beautiful, just beautiful.
I found out that there was one Ford Mustang that was purchased on April 16th, and I thought to myself, well, my wife's car is purchased on the 15th, so I started looking further and further, and now we're convinced that this is the first one sold.
Today we're building the 10 millionth Mustang. How about that? Woo! Mustang is the best of Ford Motor Company. It delivers that sense of freedom that we all want. Mustang captivated America in 1964. I met the first retail customers. They bought on April 15th, 1964. It was debuted at the World's Fair. We put it at the top of the Empire State Building. It's the best-selling sports car anywhere in the world.
I was just so happy and so proud that I was selected to do it, and just to be a part of this iconic machine we have here. And words can't even really describe how excited I am about having the opportunity to do it. I really am.
American made, iconic. People here have pride when they're building a Mustang and transfer from Dearborn Assembly. Same enthusiasm, same pride that it takes. Every car is beautiful. You turn around, look at the one in back of us, they all look really good.